Video opens with stunning high-definition footage of a massive flock of flamingos in a vast, shallow lake, their pink feathers glowing in the sunrise. Have you ever wondered what it's like to see the world through a rose-tinted lens? Well, for one incredible creature, that's not just a saying, it's a way of life. Today, we're stepping into the vibrant, surprising, and absolutely fascinating world of the flamingo. Cut to a close-up of a flamingo's unique bent beak. At first glance, they're an explosion of pink, a living, breathing sunset. But there's so much more to flamingos than their iconic color. These birds are masters of adaptation, social butterflies of the avian world, and living proof that nature has an incredible sense of style. There are 6 different species of flamingos scattered across the globe, from the high-altitude lakes of the Andes to the sprawling salt pans of Africa and the sunny shores of the Caribbean. And while they might look delicate, don't be fooled. These birds are tough. They thrive in some of the planet's most extreme environments, caustic, salty lakes that would be inhospitable to most other forms of life. How do they do it? It's all part of their incredible design. Show animation or clear footage of a flamingo's filtration system in its beak. Let's start with that bizarre-looking beak. It's not just for show, it's a highly sophisticated filter feeding machine. A flamingo eats with its head upside down. It sucks in mouthfuls of muddy water and then uses its large, fleshy tongue to pump the water out through comb-like structures called lamellae. This intricate system traps tiny morsels of food like brine shrimp, algae, and insect larvae. And this diet is the secret to their famous color. Flamingos aren't born pink. Chicks are actually born with fluffy, gray or white feathers. They get their brilliant rosy, orange, or reddish hues from carotenoids, the same pigments that make carrots orange and tomatoes red, found in the algae and crustaceans they eat. The more carotenoids a flamingo consumes, the more vibrant its color becomes. A pale flamingo is often a sign that it's not eating well. So in the flamingo world, you literally are what you eat. Footage of flamingos standing on one leg, some sleeping. Now, let's address the question everyone asks. Why do they stand on one leg? For years, scientists debated this. Is it to reduce muscle fatigue? To keep one leg warm? Recent studies suggest it's primarily about conserving body heat. By tucking one leg up into their warm feathers, they reduce the amount of heat lost to the cool water or air. It's also an incredibly stable, energy-saving posture for them, allowing them to rest for long periods without much effort. They can even sleep this way. But life isn't just about eating and sleeping. Flamingos are incredibly social birds. They live in massive colonies, sometimes numbering in the tens of thousands or even over 1 million. This isn't just a big party, there's safety in numbers. A huge flock makes it difficult for predators like eagles or jackals to single out an individual. Show footage of the flamingo mating dance. Within these massive crowds, flamingos perform one of nature's most spectacular displays, the courtship dance. It's not a solo performance. Hundreds, sometimes thousands of birds will march in unison, turning their heads from side to side, flapping their wings and calling out. The synchronized ballet isn't just about finding a mate, it's about getting the entire colony in sync for the breeding season. Flamingos are generally monogamous, at least for a breeding season. Once a pair forms, they work together to build a nest. It's not your typical bird's nest made of twigs. Instead, they use mud, shaping it into a raised volcano-like mound. This elevated platform protects their single, chalky white egg from flooding in the intense ground heat. Show footage of a flamingo chick and its parents. Both the male and female take turns incubating the egg, which takes about a month to hatch. When the fluffy gray chick emerges, it's looked after by both parents. And here was another incredible fact. Flamingos produce a special crop milk to feed their young. This reddish, nutrient-rich liquid is produced in the lining of their upper digestive tract. And guess what? It's packed with carotenoids, giving the milk its color and providing the chick with its first dose of pink-producing pigments. Both male and female parents can produce this milk. After about a week, the chicks are old enough to leave the nest and join a massive creche, or nursery, with thousands of other chicks. This giant daycare is watched over by a few adult birds, while the parents head off to find food. Even in this massive crowd, parents can recognize their own chick's unique call and will return to feed it specifically. Show expansive, wide-angle shots of flamingo habitats. The life of a flamingo is a delicate dance between survival and spectacle. They are a keystone species, meaning their health is a vital indicator of the health of their entire ecosystem. Their feeding habits help regulate algae populations, and their presence shapes the very landscape they inhabit. Unfortunately, these beautiful birds face significant threats. Habitat loss from development and pollution, water diversion and climate change are all putting pressure on their fragile homes. The very salt pans and wetlands they depend on are disappearing. Conservation efforts around the world are working tirelessly to protect these unique habitats, ensuring that future generations can witness the breathtaking sight of a lake blushed pink with thousands of flamingos, and with peaceful, beautiful shots of flamingos in their natural habitat, From their upside-down feeding to their one-legged naps and synchronized dances, flamingos are a testament to the ingenuity and beauty of the natural world. They are a reminder that even in the harshest environments, life can find a way not just to survive, but to flourish with spectacular grace and color. Thank you so much for joining me on this journey into the world of flamingos. If you found these incredible birds as fascinating as we do, please hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more deep dives into the wonders of wildlife. We'd love to hear what you think in the comments below. Until next time, stay curious.